I missed the turn off.
So today I'm here with
I missed
Sam.
our exit.
Oh shit.
Thank you for videoing.
Oh, we just missed it. So that's alright. There's always another way to get on it.
Great.
So I'm here with Sam and Rom. So Rom, I don't think you've been on a video before.
Oh, Rom, say hello.
But hello, I'm also video back.
Hey guys, morning again. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock and we're heading down south to Southern Highlands, you reckon? Beginning of Southern Highlands?
Yeah, there's a Southern Highlands, but it's called
South Coast.
MACQUARIE Pass National Cascade.
Okay, so
We'll do our bushwalk there.
Yeah.
We'll do our bushwalk at the MACQUARIE Pass.
So this bushwalk, have you been there before?
No, I haven't.
So we're gonna try somewhere different instead of being at the farm. So we're gonna see if we can find some waterfalls. Hopefully,
apparently there's a waterfall there.
Yes, apparently there's a waterfall there. We had a few days of rains last week, so hopefully there's heaps of water we can see the waterfall.
Try to lose some kilos, mate.
Yeah, we're gonna try to do a bit of exercise. It's a long weekend.
We're gonna have a Cambodian style picnic by the beach.
Cambodian style picnic by the beach. So
yeah, that'll be awesome.
Sam's been shopping yesterday. He's got fish and he's got all the ingredients for us to have a good feed. And I'm freaking waiting for this meal.
Yeah.
That's a nice country there, man.
We're in the valley now.
Yeah.
And they got the nice cattle and they got the vineyards. Oh look, cows.
Oh shit! Stop! You gotta help it, man. It's gonna be stuck. There's a little calf.
There's a calf here.
Yeah, we're gonna find a gap for it or ring up the owner. Okay, rainforest walk at the beginning of it.
G'day fellas. We just entered the walk. Look how clear the water is, eh?
Show me how it's done. Yeah, man. So Mr. Steve Irwin.
It's you know, g'day fellas is better than hey guys.
Hey mate, what are you doing? What are you doing, mate? It's 2 kilometer long.
It's an easy walk.
It's an easy walk.
No steps.
And it's a 30-minute there and back. That's nice. So you got this tree here growing on this rock. It's amazing. Size of a dog. There it is. Up there. Wow. Now you asking for it, buddy. You're gonna fall, mate. I recommend everyone to come down and have a look. It's beautiful waterfall. It's about a 25 meter waterfall. But the bottom of the waterfall, it's not as big, but it'd be great to come up and have a little dip in there. What do you think of the waterfall, Sam?
Oh, bloody ripping beautiful, mate.
Are we going back now? Yeah, we got Gandalf here with Gandalf the Grey.
Gandalf the baldy.
What sort of berry you reckon that is? You reckon you eat that?
G'day, mate. How's it going?
Don't fall in there, Sam. Ooh, I don't know if I should do it. Pretty slippery. I want to fall in the water. And he comes back. It's pretty wobbly, eh? I don't know if it's me or it's the wood. No, it's not working, mate. Not working, mate. Go, Sam. Oh no!
Oh, my knees are gone. My knees hurt, mate.
You know, if you fall in there, You're just gonna fall in water, mate. It's all good. This is the hardest part of the trek. This steep part here, but minus that, it was pretty easy grade walking through. So we're heading back now. So we're all starving at the moment. We want to try to get some lunch. And it's a lot of people, so we just got to make sure that when you do come here, come in early. But the waterfall is worth it, mate.
It is. It's worth it. Also in the summer, there's lots of places to kind of like just cool down.
And you have a little gas stove barbecue and just barbecue in there and cook your food and listen to the waterfall.
Or you can make pre-made sandwiches.
Oh,
so you don't have to like carry the equipment. Oh, the birds here are nice, hectic birds, all the sound.
Yep. There's another track there that I was trying to hopefully get onto, but it was closed. Sort of stopped where the rainforest is, and we're gonna head back to get some lunch.
Let's cook up a fish, Khmer style.
Khmer style. I'm waiting for this meal because he's been talking about it all morning.
I've been talking about it since yesterday.
Yeah. We're just on the second pit stop now. We're just on KIAMA Beach, Bombo Beach, and we're just going to have a quick water break, toilet break, and then we're going to head to our next location where we're going to have lunch. KIAMA Beach on the right there, and we're going to be heading over to that rock. How do you know this is the right way?
It's like a path.
I hear the Cambo talking. Sam, go rock climb that, mate.
Easy.
Snakes, mate. How'd you know about this place, bro? We can climb that one.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check.
It's a
Give it a
investigation
microphone,
right
make
there.
the microphone dead. Don't step to me, I can take it, I can play the fucking rich in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp, make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
Still hidden cave in here. Apparently this is where all the kids jump into the water. On that cliff there, or on that, and they jump in the water in there. Crazy. You wouldn't want to get caught up in there, that's for sure. Style, yes. So what have we got cooking, Sam? What sort of fish you got, mate?
I'll show you, mate.
It looks like a snapper.
Snapper? That's a nice snapper there. That's a decent sized snapper there.
Silver perch. Is that frying? Or is that more soupy?
Soup.
Maybe I'll get the
Silver perch.
That's a bream there.
Fish that we caught from the market.
It's all been gutted, all descaled. How many bream you got? 3? Wow! Oh, they're the prawns.
You haven't put right yet?
What's that?
Yeah, I walk up very early.
Octopusy.
Small for the soup.
Oh, the small for the soup, the big one for stir fry.
So what do you got in there? Galangal, garlic, lemongrass.
Yeah, where's Galangal?
Yeah, that's Galangal.
Break it in. That's it.
Oh. What do you use for your soup base? Or turmeric base, soup base?
Oh, well, we'll just do everything fresh.
Yeah. How about the flavor? Oh, is that the tamarind? This is the brand. Tamarind soup base.
Pineapple.
How much you put in that?
Already
What, 2
opened
tablespoons?
Yeah.
2 tablespoons in there, guessing?
Guessing. There's not JB all of them, right? We're just guessing. This is
Yes,
not
That's
the naked
good, no.
chef.
Sorry.
Yeah, alright, brother.
Done. Alright, Sam, pick your fish and put them in there.
Which one are you going to put in?
You want to put the silver perch?
Put the small ones. Let's say,
The brim. Check the brim.
Yeah, chop them up.
Are you going to put the prawns in there too? Can we not put the prawns in, or?
No, don't put prawn, you can't eat prawn.
Yeah,
I'll get them
yeah.
prawn. But it's only good with the fresh prawn anyway. This one already cooked.
Oh, okay.
Just follow your score line.
Just chuck the whole head like that in. Yeah, like that. No, just chuck it in there. I want finesse, mate. In this. Alright.
Another one is the
We need a flavor from the fish. If we already have a stock, then we do that.
Yeah.
Just dip the fish in. Oh, too big, man.
Oh yeah. Bit more oil. So what's that? Is that lime leaf?
That's right, cattle lime leaf.
Kaffir lime leaf. And you got 2 chilies in there too.
Okra.
What is it? Okra.
Yeah.
And what's this one? Groom. And you got spring onions.
Hey,
And this one, and
we
this
in
one.
Canberra call the same thing.
What's that one there?
Spiky.
Oh, that smells nice.
Herb.
Salty herbs. It was all herbs to you, mate.
Yeah. Fish.
Fish sauce. The magic ingredients. Fish sauce.
Got any more, mate?
We have a lot.
We've got canned pineapple in there as well.
No, no.
Is that fish got to be turned over, mate?
Slow heat.
Oh, low heat.
Slow, so that gives it a chance to cook biggie, so it's soft inside.
Yeah. What are you making, mate?
I'm peeling the sour mango.
You mean? Oh, this is the soup for the sauce for it. Sorry.
Yeah, this is the sauce. The
I
sauce.
got some tomato in there.
This is mango salad for the fish.
Oh, mango salad. Oh,
Salad, sour mango salad.
we're doing it outback style. No, not outback, but beach style. Cambo beach style. Salt and pepper.
No, it's not salt pepper.
Oh, is it? Oh shit! What is it?
Chicken powder.
Chicken powder. That was chicken powder in there. That looks freaking awesome, man. That looks good, man. Remind me of back at home when my mum used to cook like this. What's the origin of the soup again? What's it called in Cambodian?
Come from Vietnam.
Yeah. Come from Vietnam, but in Cambodia we call it Salamachu Yun. Yeah, okay. But what's the Cambodian version? And what's the difference from this one to the Cambodian one? Is it more sour or is it more?
I don't know.
Is it more sour or is it more sweeter? Isn't it?
Apparently, Duanne, they said the Vietnamese eat it more sweet.
Yeah.
And the Cambodian like it more sour.
Ah, okay. So two
Same
different.
thing.
Yeah.
But it's the same
We
ingredients.
eat less sweet. Yeah, man.
Just turn it over. Put a bit of salt in there.
Yes, some.
Do you feel like this too? In your country you like this?
We always eat control.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Come together.
When,
So the Vietnam and Cambodia sort of similar sort of taste, hey?
You need
So-
this. You need the knife.
in the
Duanne.
region, we eat, you know, it's pretty much the same.
Yeah.
Same.
The same ingredients, same sort of
Slightly different in terms of the taste.
yeah.
You know, I don't know, more sour, more sweeter, or more,
Yeah.
you know, chili,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
spicy.
Okay.
But, same like Thai. There's a lot of Thai food. Everyone knows as Thai food, but we eat the same thing.
Yeah, yeah.
For example, the curry, Thai
Yeah.
curry. Known as Thai curry. Khmer curry was a different.
Yeah, it's the
Same
same.
thing.
The same ingredients, yeah.
Nobody knows that it's Khmer curry. It's a Thai curry. Everybody
Yeah.
go Thai curry, but it
Yeah, pang onion stuff is all alcohol.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Our curry.
It's a little bit more tamarind.
Taste it. Moment of truth.
It is our veggie.
Nice. Can I film the veggie?
Magic sauce. How do you gonna cook that? You're gonna chuck it in the soup?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, would that fit all in there?
Yeah, it
Slowly.
depends more.
Make it like a hot pot.
Ah, it's like a hot pot. Cambo hot pot. This is all our greens. For all the vegans out there, this is down your alley.
Okay.
So
I want
that's
some hygiene one.
You guys eat the head of the fish too?
Yeah.
Everything?
Just fit, mate. Just fit.
It's our style. And see, it is colourful in any other culture.
Yeah.
Just tell them that.
Bring this one.
Oh,
God!
look at what
Oh!
Sam's been cutting with a knife, but look at what we have.
Thank you, Duanne. You're very kind.
Look how you cut it, mate.
Yeah, because the knife is blunt.
You chuck it all in. So all that veggies is just gonna absorb into that soup.
And all the flavour goes right into it.
Oh wow. All the flavour we get into that. The steamboat.
This is because it's not sharp.
That's the reason why we call it gamju.
So we just fried these octopuses in there.
Over here, we have the last thing we put in.
Oh.
Cambodian don't have this, alright? This is the Vietnamese version.
Okay.
They add bean sprout. That's it. Now we're ready to serve.
Oh yeah. That's how you serve it. Fish.
I just the spoon first of all.
Yeah,
Hey, what? So this is me testing the Cambodian Vietnamese soup.
Again, look, he's aiming for the soup first. The crowd goes wild. They go, oh yeah, this is great. Anything missing, my friend?
No.
Huh?
Oh mate, I can just drink the soup like that. Don't worry about anything. That's just the soup, man.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
For
Mate, for the scenery, the food. No, you can't.
hey,
you
this
can't
is
beat
better
this.
than a 5-star.
So we had 3 bowls.
You want lemon?
And that,
No, I don't really think we
Smashed
need it because we've got the tamarind.
this is a prawns mango salad. And that's a mango salad there. Bit of fish sauce. So you've got the bream cooking now. With the silver perched. I just had a bit of that.
Yeah.
Ginger.
Yeah, you put it with a bit of rice, right in it.
Ginger, pork mince, and chili.
So that goes over the fish
That's right.
that we demolished already.
After we take the bones out.
Go for it, brother.
Yeah.
So what's this called in Cambodian? What's the Cambodian name for this?
Chuck, that's a
Jin Chuan.
Jian Chun.
Yeah.
When you
Ginger
eat,
and fish.
you must get a balance of all the elements in there.
the fish in there and then chili starts so we can all eat.
The garnish with the spring onions.
Give us a second. Sam.
Go Sam, dig in.
Got to get a balance.
The balance right, mate. Got the rice in there. Mango salad. Corn mango salad in that one.
What the heck am
Oh, really good.
Nice.
Very
You want
tasty.
more rice, bro?
I? You know what? Suppose you don't need to go to a 5-star, 4-star restaurant or more.
Mate,
Just buy the ingredients and we cook. And it's already
I'd rather do
5-star
this than
quality.
actually cook it at home yourself, because it's that communal of the, you know, all Asian, they all eat together. That's what makes it more enjoyable, you know.
Oh yeah, the balance.
Each other's company.
Exactly, the company, the environment you're at, food, it just adds to it.
Where lake meets beach, ocean.
Where are we, Sam?
We are at Rangoon. I forgot reserve.
Now, what's the place? What's the area called?
Minnamurra.
Minnamurra.
KIAMA.
Next to KIAMA.
In KIAMA.
In KIAMA. Sandbar, the river. This is where the river meets the ocean. Father, you see all the fishermen's out there,
Yeah,
see?
the fishermen's all out.
So I'm going to try to show you guys on how to eat it and how to make it. So
Show them how to eat it.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
What's that? Asthma?
Huh?
What's the word? The asthma? Is asthma?
What?
The word asthma where people eat, right?
Yeah.
And then they go.
I have no idea. But that's how Cambodian do it.
Apparently,
Anyway.
yeah, that's how Cambodian eats. But apparently, there's videos out there where guys are actually eating.
Close their balconies.
Nah, open their mouth so they might be like
hear it.
eating some sort of food,
Yeah.
and then the viewers are actually enjoying that sound of them eating.
Enjoying the sound. I find people that get frustrated with it.
Some people do, but some people they get millions of views in terms of guys eating that sort of food.
Alright, we'll say
So they might be eating like a chip or might be eating like a steak. Just that sound of it is actually relaxing.
Well, they'll let us know to see if it's relaxing or it's annoying.
Yeah, well,
I reckon personally it's annoying. We were supposed to chew with our mouths closed.
Yeah, well, you know, maybe the sound of it just relaxes.
I
some
know.
people, you know. So we're at Wollongong at the moment. This is a temple. It should be coming up to a temple on the left side here. Where's the temple?
Past it, mate.
Oh,
Camera out
shit.
too quick. Is there? Left.
Oh, there it is. You may be seeing the residue.
There.
Oh, there it is, still there. Shit. I'm trying to